Accio box unboxing in Orlando, Florida at the Harry Potter World. I don't have any scissors to open this with, so I'm just gonna use my wand. It actually works really good.
Yeah.
A good reveal shot. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see it? Touch me. Okay, let's see what this box is. May of 2018, this box is the Herbology box. Let's see what's inside. First thing I see is this adorable Gryffindor Herbology hat. It's in my house colors, which is red and gold. I'll probably wear this today, but not right now. The next item is a Muggle-born Sisters pin. It's a little mandrake. It's so cute! I'm gonna have to put it on my little sash here. Next item is another one of these adorable paper dolls. I got one of these in the Luna box. This one is Neville Longbottom. Let's see if I can get it open. This is so cute. Trying to get all of his plants together. This is the Neville Longbottom paper doll. It comes with a little mandrake and also his toad Trevor. It is super adorable and has great details on it. It's really cute, actually. The next item inside is a print with a bunch of Herbology on it. It's actually really adorable. It's all hand-drawn. There should be one more thing in here. Oh, all the way at the very bottom. Nope, that's not it. Paper doll, pin, let's see. Oh, here it is. And this adorable bookmark. Let me get a shot of everything in my hands. Here's a shot of everything. Got this awesome hat, this print, this pin, a bookmark, and a paper doll. They all are really good quality, and I absolutely love every single one of these items.
Perfect.
There's also a huge announcement that Accio Box is now a completely cruelty-free and vegan-friendly company. This has already been making waves in the vegan community. They were actually mentioned in Ivana Lynch's vegan podcast. That was a huge shout out for everybody, and it was so cool to hear. There are also other vegan and vegetarian blogs that are wanting to write about Accio Box, which is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this Accio box unboxing video. It was so amazing to be able to open my Accio box at Harry Potter World and having everyone look at me while I was opening it and asking, what the heck is that? If you guys have any other video ideas or things you'd like to see me do next, please make sure to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content coming out. I'm going to be posting a vlog soon of me at Harry Potter World for my 21st birthday, and also a huge haul of everything that I bought in Harry Potter World of Florida. Not to mention all the other videos of me making, designing, and creating all my bath products. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.